How can we effectively help Ukrainian people and especially Ukrainian refugees who are coming to the United States? Well, there are many organizations that are helping in different ways. Here at Learnix Center, we are helping people to receive free education and free cultural trainings, English language trainings, job placement assistance, job trainings, and many more. We have a unique program that is approved by the state. We have 10 years of experience training people and proven success record. Again, we are certified by the state authorities, and we know how to relate to the recent immigrant communities and how to lead people to the high-paid jobs and retrain them and train them. So we offer trainings in several areas. Again, it's English language, cultural adaptations, soft skills development, job placement, resume writing, LinkedIn profile creations, and we also will train you in one of the hot areas of IT, such as software testing and quality assurance, business analysis, software testing automation, or digital marketing, in other words, in business areas, business operations, such as marketing operations, Adobe Marketer, and much more. So please contact us and we'll be more than happy to help you right away. Thank you.